Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Ninja Foodi Cookbook is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances on the market, and with this comprehensive guide, you'll unlock its full potential, transforming everyday ingredients into gourmet meals with ease and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this cookbook is designed to inspire your culinary creativity, offering a wide array of delicious recipes that cater to every taste and occasion, ensuring that your Ninja Foodi becomes your go-to tool for quick, healthy, and flavorful cooking. Number 5. The official Ninja Foodi Complete Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the ultimate guide to mastering your Ninja Foodi. This cookbook is designed specifically for beginners, making complex cooking simple. Experience the revolutionary pressure cooker that also crisps your food to perfection. Achieve delicious, crispy results every time. This is your expert companion for all things Ninja Foodi. Learn to navigate its functions with confidence and ease. Explore a world of culinary possibilities. From pressure cooking to air frying and dehydrating, it can do it all. We've curated simple, delicious recipes perfect for anyone starting out. Enjoy amazing meals without the hassle. Trust the official source for your Ninja Foodi adventures. This cookbook is your key to unlocking its full capabilities. What we like. This cookbook covers all the functions of your Ninja Foodi. It's perfect for those new to multi-cookers, offering a wide range of recipes. If you want to explore all the capabilities of your appliance and are looking for a comprehensive guide, this is the one for you. What people say. This cookbook is a great resource for anyone looking to explore the versatility of their Ninja Foodi. The recipes are clearly written and easy to follow, even for beginners. It offers a wide variety of recipes, covering everything from main courses to desserts, making it a comprehensive guide for Ninja Foodi owners. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Grill Cookbook for Beginners. Unlock the secrets to perfect indoor grilling with this beginner-friendly cookbook. Discover how to achieve delicious, smoky flavors right in your kitchen. Explore 75 mouth-watering recipes designed specifically for your Ninja Foodi grill. From juicy steaks to tender vegetables, there's something for everyone. Go beyond grilling and master the art of air frying. Achieve crispy, golden results with ease, making healthy meals more exciting than ever. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to getting started. Simple instructions and helpful tips ensure you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Created by Ninja, for Ninja users. Trust these official recipes to bring out the best in your appliance and elevate your home cooking. What we like. Master indoor grilling and air frying with this specialized guide. Achieve perfect char marks and crispy textures every time. If you love the taste of grilled food but want the convenience of indoor cooking, this is your go-to resource. What people say. Lots of flavorful recipes inside. It isn't made from newsprint, doesn't contain error after error, has nice color photos, just as you might expect. The recipes are simple and easy to follow. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the joy of air frying with this beginner-friendly cookbook. It's packed with over 75 recipes designed for quick and healthy meals. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with less oil and more flavor. Achieve perfectly crispy results every time, making healthier eating a delight. This guide makes air frying simple and accessible for beginners. You'll find straightforward instructions for creating delicious dishes with ease. Explore a wide variety of recipes, from appetizers to main courses and desserts. Each one is crafted to be faster and healthier than traditional frying. This cookbook is your essential companion for mastering your air fryer. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones with incredible meals. What we like. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with a healthier twist. It cooks faster and delivers unbeatable crispiness. If you're looking for quicker, healthier versions of fried classics, this cookbook will help you achieve delicious results. What people say. Good recipes and seems easy. Nicely illustrated and pictures and print is nice. This guide solves that problem nicely. I have made many of these recipes, all tasty and easy to follow. He loves how easy it is and sorted by different type of food. Highly recommend for those who are new with cooking. Number 2. Big Ninja Foodi Pressure Cooker Cookbook. Discover the ultimate guide to your Ninja Foodi. This cookbook is packed with delicious recipes designed for your favorite do-it-all multi-cooker. Explore a vast collection of 175 recipes, from quick weeknight meals to impressive dishes. You'll find something for every occasion. Simplify your cooking with 3 comprehensive meal plans. Effortlessly plan your breakfast, lunch, and dinner with ease. These recipes are specifically crafted to take full advantage of your multi-cooker's capabilities. Get the most out of every function. Trust the official source for your Ninja cooking adventures. This book is your essential companion for creating amazing meals. Elevate your home cooking with this indispensable resource. It's time to become a master chef in your own kitchen. What we like. Unlock the full potential of your large multi-cooker with a vast collection of recipes. It includes detailed meal plans to simplify your cooking. If you have a bigger household or love to cook in bulk and need structured meal solutions, this cookbook is ideal. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and produce delicious results. This cookbook is a great resource for anyone looking to get the most out of their Ninja Foodi. It offers a wide variety of recipes, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes. Number 1. Ninja CREAMi Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the joy of creating delicious frozen treats right in your own kitchen. This cookbook is your perfect guide to mastering homemade ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and more. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to simple, satisfying desserts. You'll learn how to whip up your favorite frozen goodies with ease. Explore a wide range of recipes, from timeless classics to exciting new flavor combinations. There's something for every palate to enjoy. Designed with beginners in mind, this guide breaks down every step. You don't need any prior experience to start creating amazing desserts. Make it your ultimate resource for all things frozen. Enjoy endless possibilities and impress your friends and family with your homemade creations. What we like. Create delicious homemade frozen desserts with ease. From ice cream to sorbet, it covers all your cravings. If you have a sweet tooth and want to make custom frozen treats at home, this is the perfect companion for your appliance. What people say. This cookbook is a great companion to the Ninja Foodi, offering a wide variety of recipes that are easy to follow. The recipes are well explained and cover a range of meal types, from appetizers to desserts, making it versatile for everyday cooking. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips for using the Ninja Foodi, ensuring users can achieve delicious results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.